Forex trading midweek update. Let's see what the charts have done so far this week. So we're starting DXY and see what the US dollar has done. Frame price from last week has pushed up into this weekly zone and now is starting to push to the bearish movement or to the downside. Let's see what that's done for Euro USD then. So Euro USD, I had a 4 hour time frame head and shoulders rejecting the top weekly zone here, as you can see. So we rejected this big weekly zone up here, and then price had come down and made a smaller right shoulder, and we was waiting for that MSBC trade, the market structure, they want the breakout through the neckline and then the continuation. But didn't seem to get that. Price pulled back up through the neckline, done that twice. Price is now testing the 4 hour 50 again at the minute. So if we can get a 1 hour engulfing candle rejecting this 4 hour 50, then I'll be looking to place a trade here. But I'll be very careful price doesn't just continue. AD CAD, this is messing me about this week a little bit. We've not gone to plan and had a losing trade, but it is what it is. Currently testing the weekly zone, so I'm looking to see if we can get back below the daily and the 4 hour 50 before placing any trades. Enter DCHF, this is what I'm looking for. Currently price, if I go on the daily time frame, it did pop up and test that daily 50 EMA there once in red. Let me bring that in, you can see that there. We're now looking to see if price can come back up and test it for a second time on the daily time frame. But then on the 1 hour time frame, I'd like to see something like a little double top, which will then give us a slightly better entry and trade that down for at least a 1 to 5, probably into this mid zone. I don't think I'll try and trade it all the way to the weekly zone, because that will then be over 230 pips. So that's not a bit of me. Around the 150 pip mark will be beautiful. Finally, Euro NZD. Still looking for bearish movement on this, continuing the trade we had a couple of weeks ago, which we had up here. Price is now rejected the 4 hour 50 and it's just broke below the daily. So we're going to see if we can get a pullback to the daily 50 EMA and then catch a short trade down to the neckline of the bigger structure. Here we go. So that was end of April. We had a losing trade, and then these are the first two trades for May, and they both come in at TP, so that's 4% on them two.